Evidence 3, Melissa Flores Cázares. Timeline 1987. The Cold War ends with the falling of the Berlin Wall. 1990. The Hubble Space Telescope is a project made by the NASA in a collaboration with the European Space Agency. Then we have 1992, and there's the Free Trade Agreement which Mexico signs with Canada and United States. It's also known as NAFTA. Then we have 1999 social network. The first social network known as MySpace was introduced to the internet. Then 2001, the Twin Towers attack. There's attack by a terrorist group to the Twin Towers that were located in New York, United States. Then in 2005, we have another terrorist attack, but in London, where another group attacks London as a reprisal of the invasion in Iraq. Then, in 2017, we have another terrorist attack in Iraq by the Islamic State. Globalization. The globalization is like a process of interaction and integration of people and groups all around the world to make the world more united, to eliminate the frontiers and create connections. Terrorism. Terrorism is like a domination created by fear and terror. So the people cause this so they can influence, and then they can pressure you to do their ideologies, or to impose or demand an idea. Unipolar war. The unipolar system is the one that consists in which a determined state has more power, it can be cultural or economic or other type of power, and they have that power and other countries or states don't have it. The digital era is the one that we're living now, and it has made many advances, like the cell phones, the iPad, the television, the computer, and the laptops are by this era, because this has made many creations to happen. The relations with all these topics are that the globalization led to many events happening, such as the Free Trade Agreement and the end of the Cold War. And the Cold War is related to the unipolar war system, because in the Cold War, they used to have a state that has more power than the other ones. And when the years go by, many problems end up leading to terrorism, which cause more terrible events and many deaths, because different groups of terrorists were causing attacks in the whole world. And the digital era has made many projects to happen, such as the Hubble and social networks like Facebook, MySpace, YouTube. Questions. Why the globalization emerged? The globalization emerged to end up from 3 years and to make more agreements and to make the whole world united. In most cases, what caused the terrorist attacks of the century? The poverty, the social inequality, the ideological and religious difference caused many people to get mad, and that's why there are a group of terrorists. How does the end of the Cold War relate with the unipolar war? The unipolar war, as I mentioned before, was when a determined state has more power, and the Cold War used to have a state which has more power than the other one, so that's why they are related. How has the digital era influenced today's society? The digital era has made people to be more depending of the technology, and this is causing many issues because people are having addictions to their cell phones or to the computers. But it also has helped because many projects and many things we are living with has been because of the digital era. Bibliography.